I told her I'll be right back. I'll be coming right back. No, save it for me. Oh, save it for me. I told her I'll be right back. Oh, I'll be coming right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a application video slash a mini show and tell of a wig that I received from DYHAIR777. I will be sure to link all their information down below in my description box, as well as in a direct link to this wig. So this wig did come nicely packaged. It is a full lace wig. You have 4 combs, 1 in the front, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. This wig is a deep curly texture, and like I said, it is a full lace wig. It's 14 inches long. I want you guys to see how it looked unmanipulated. So now I'm just briefly showing you guys how I applied this wig using the stocking cap method. But I wanted to also let you guys know that this wig is not pre-tweezed, so you will need to go in and customize the hairline. However, I didn't do that for the sake of this video because I was in a hurry. I'm using the Got to Be Glued Blast and Freeze spray for this application, and I find that it's way less messy. It is kind of a struggle because it's runny, but at the same time, the application is less messy. And as you can see, the outcome looks better, minus this hairline, y'all. Please, Lord. It looks so much better now, but in this video, this hairline is a struggle. I do like the dips and curves of the way that the hairline is made, but you definitely need to customize it and pluck it if you're going to wear it away from your face. But I feel like it, it wasn't too bad because I did a flip over method and I brung the hair in the front. The texture of this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I cannot get enough of this texture. The application is less messy, and as you can see, the outcome looks better, minus this hairline, y'all. Please, Lord. It looks so much better now, but in this video, this hairline is a struggle. I do like the dips and curves of the way that the hairline is made, but you definitely need to customize it and pluck it if you're going to wear it away from your face. And when you apply product to it, the curls stay wet looking like that, and it's just so beautiful. So after playing with the hair a little bit, I decided on wearing it down. I also wanted to let you guys know that I am not receiving hardly any shedding, and tangling is very minimal. Can you believe I have been rocking this stocking cap application for about 5 days now? I'm going to take it off today, but it's still secured down. It's only lifting up a little bit on the sides. So the stocking cap method is everything. I absolutely love this wig. I want to concentrate more on the application and just like the first impressions process. But if you guys want to see an update on this wig, please let me know, because I will be rocking this wig. I may even add some highlights in it down the road, but I don't know. It just looks so natural and gorgeous. Like, this is natural hair goals. I definitely recommend DY777 hair, because their hair is, this is quality hair. I'm impressed, to say the least. So I will leave all their information down below. I want to thank you guys for watching, and be sure to thumbs up if you want to see this makeup look, because I did record it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.